So a little video on this Speedster stove kit I've just got. So we've got a Speedster alcohol burner. There's the lid, so it's very much like a trangia. I don't have a trangia actually, but I believe they are very much the same. See, it's kind of got like a gauze, metal gauze there. So it uses meths. It comes with this graded bottle. It holds 3 fluid ounces. So I'm going to put a fluid ounce in there and see how long. This is one of the pans. You get that pan and you get this fry pan, complete with the fold away handles and the lid, and it comes in a carry bag there, and this is the bag for the windshield. Folds up, goes in there. So yeah, I've got a litre. I don't know whether that holds a litre actually, but anyway, I'm going to fill it as much as I can. An ounce of methylated spirits into the burner and just see how long it takes to come up to the boil. So I'll get it lit and I'll bring you back. So that's about 800 ml I think of water. Just coming up 10 o'clock, so like I said, see how long it takes to bring to the boil. Catch you later. Alright, so we're just coming up 15 minutes. It's boiling now. So as I said, that was about 0.8 of a litre. So that's plenty for a couple of brews and or a brew and mix some pasta in, whatever soup, I don't know, whatever you're cooking. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. So I'm just on the allotments at the moment, so maybe I could come put some new potatoes in there or something, or I'm just doing a heap of beetroot at the moment. Anyway, but yeah, that's the Speedster complete stove set. Like I say, you get the alcohol stove. I think that's a 30 ml. They come in, they do them in different sizes, a 20 ml, 30 ml and a 50 ml, I think, which will give obviously different burn times. I'm not sure. I think the 30 ml gives 20 minutes or something. But, so I'm just going to leave it till it's used all the meths anyway. See how long it lasts. And so you get the windshield. This is the saucepan with the folding handles, and then I've moved the other bit now, but you get a fry pan again with the handles, and it comes in its own bag, and everything fits inside, so it all folds in quite neatly to put into your rucksack. I don't have the spec, so when I get back or something, when I do edit this video, I'll put the spec down below for you, you know, like the total weight and everything and all that stuff. Yep, so there you go, that's the Speedster stove kit. Thanks for watching. So this is the start of our hike, and this is the old iron furnace. Morning.
Morning. Just wonder, are you off back into the woods? Yeah. I think my dog's up there somewhere.
What sort of dog?
He's a black and white spaniel.
Oh right.
If you see him, can you just sort of tell him to go home in a crossway?
He does what he wants.
Pardon?
I'd say one word from you and he does what he wants.
Well, you can see that, yeah.
What's his name?
Yeah, most
Milo.
impressive structure.
Okay.
Just the last week or so, he's just been clearing off for about an hour and a half, and it's not like him, but he must have just got interested in something.
Yeah, so we've been walking around about 40 minutes or so. Just pausing to give you a shot of this landscape. You see the Dudden estuary over there. I don't know if you make it out. Probably a bit hazy, but shipyard is over there. Right, on we go. So just another brief viewing point. So you can see where the Duddon estuary opens out into the Irish Sea, and you probably won't be able to make it out, but there's a huge offshore wind farm. And then again, it's a shame I didn't have a better quality camera, but roughly over there you can actually see Blackpool Tower on the other side of Morecambe Bay, but unfortunately the camera won't pick that out. Anyway, we'll push on. So we're on a section of the walk now where we take this road. This is the road that goes over Corney Fell, and we're just pausing to take in this magnificent vista. I can't tell you what all the mountains are, but we're pretty sure that Scar Fell is over there, just the cloud base just touching it. Scar Fell. Right. Press on. So this is something I was really keen to see. This is Swinside Stone Circle with my pack. I'm not sure, I think there's between 50 and 60 stones or something. It's said to be around 4,000 years old. But yeah, pretty awesome. And still some fantastic views. Yeah, so I'm glad I've seen that. Well, we've done full circle. I just want to show you inside here. So 9.02 miles according to my mate is what we've done, and I'm happy to say that the pack's been alright. I managed very well. So apparently all the charcoal, this was a charcoal blast furnace, and the iron ore and a bit of limestone was put in at the top, and over there was a big water wheel, so there's like a mill race coming down here, and then that drove bellows that pumped air in, and then somewhere in here on the bottom they would drain the molten iron out into sand pits to make pigs iron, what they call pigs, pig iron. But yeah, the stone, you won't really be able to make it out, but the stonework is fantastic. It really is something else. So I'm so glad that we came today, and I can't even believe I've never even been here before. But all this here is all connected. There's a big charcoal store and various stores and some workers' housing, which it said was inhabited up to 1953, so it's a really fantastic piece of heritage. And that stonework there is just absolutely awesome. It's wonderful. Right, anyway, I'll leave it there and I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.